Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Students, today we are going to learn vowels and consonants. Today students, आज हम पढ़ेंगे vowels and consonants words. आपको मैं बताती चलूं, there are 26 letters in English alphabets. 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are consonants. Let's say them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we'll start to read. So students, 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are consonant. Let's see which are vowels. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Let's say them together. A, E, I, O, U. These vowels helps to make words and sounds. Look here, students. A for apple. E for elephant. I for ice cream. O for ostrich. And U for umbrella. We read consonant letters, and consonant letters are 21. Now children, all the letters, read with me. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are called consonant. Say it with me, consonant. Vowels and consonant word together to make words. Like this, C-A-T, cat. Here A is vowel and C and T are consonant.